say the whole arm, alright? So, first, anatomical position, and then you do a 30-degree angle. See, 30 degrees. Wrap it around. Create a circular. Cover, fold the flap so that we'll have a full circular. Now, we're going to go up because we're gonna go spiral up. So I'm gonna do like this. This one should be here. Align. Other students do like this right away. It doesn't provide so much tension. So when you say tension, tightness. Alright? So there. Go up. Go back. Tension to make it tight a little bit. Then you simply do follow a 50% overlap. Alright? So you're just gonna cover the red parts here. Slowly. There. Alright? I should not see any reds, lines, upon overlap. Because that means, alright, it's either you're not doing a 50% overlap or you're doing like this. Alright? It needs to have a 50% overlap. So there, cover. Tension a little bit. Go up. Tension a little bit. Go up. Simple. Tension. Tension. Go up. Then, I'm almost done. So what I'm gonna do is I will simply do a circular to close it. Then, set up the pins. Nice.